Hello guys, this is Kim Kurt, Birds Lover, and I'll show you the difference between renewing opaline pale faded and non-visual pale faded. This is the color of light feather of visual pale faded. The color mantle of light feather is very light brown with dirty white color on edge. While this is the color of non-visual pale faded. The color of lower body of visual pale faded is very light green pastel. While the color of legs of visual pale faded is very light gray when young and pinkish gray when adults. Thank you for watching.